Okay, what I'm going to show you today is how to both auto level and manual non-rotating extra large AutoLift jacks. So I'll step you through the process on the keypad. We'll switch it on. Once you switch it on, it'll do a self-diagnose, and what it will show you is one option to hit start, and it'll also show you underneath here in the center of the keypad there is a trailer or caravan, and it will show you two lights. Those two lights are showing you a status of what is underneath the van as far as the ground topography, I guess, as far as how unlevel it is. So you'll see here, that's forward of the van, that's rear of the van down here, that's left of the van, and that's right of the van, looking down. You'll see the right-hand side and the rear side of the van is the low point underneath the van, which is this corner here you'll see. So what I'm going to show you here, we're going to go through that process on both manual and in auto level. Press start. What will happen is all four jacks will extend at the same time, and once they extend and receive some type of, they plant and touch the ground, they will actually stop once they receive load on the jacks. Now what you'll see is the jacks have all planted, and now we want to try an auto level. So with auto leveling, what will happen is you'll push the auto button, so which is one here, and we'll see how it auto levels. The van is now auto leveled. As you can see, the green light in the middle has done, showing you that it's level. Now to get moving to your next site, you'll switch the panel on. So you've already leveled the van or the trailer. Now you want to move on to the next site. You're going to switch the panel on, and this gives you one option, and that is get up. Hit the get up button, all four jacks will retract. So now all four jacks have retracted. You can start getting on your way of moving on because the green lights come on. At this point you can just power off. This time I'm going to show you how to manually level the van using the switch panel, the buttons to press. So the first thing you do is turn it on, which we've done, and hit the start button. What will happen? All four jacks will deploy and extend. Once they all plant and sense resistance or load, each jack will stop accordingly. As you can see, all jacks have now deployed and have hit the ground. Now it's asking us to do one of three options, and that is auto, manual, or get up. What we're wanting to do is hit manual mode. Now in manual mode, straight away you'll have all the arrow lights popping up, green or yellow, sorry, and then you'll have forward, left side, rear side, and right side of the van, looking down on the van or trailer. So you'll also see there's a light here. Red light at the back means the low point underneath the van is the rear. So it's already sensing where the lowest point underneath the van is, and that is the rear. So in theory, what we want to do to extend the jacks, and they'll only extend in pairs, so rear two, front two, left two, and right two. So we wanted to move this red light from the rear to the center of the van or trailer. By doing that, we press the arrow button down, and that will extend the rear two jacks. Keep going until that red light moves. Just to tap that so it moves it back to the center of the van. All right, and then we can now see that the left side needs to be moved slightly up as well, extended, so we just push that down. We're now right on level, we've achieved level because the green light has illuminated the middle. So that's how you extend the jacks to get a level manually. If you wanted to also retract the legs, the simple way you do that is by pushing the manual button again. So this is to retract the legs back up rather than extending them. The four lights will now, arrow lights will now flash. This allows you to retract the legs in pairs just by pushing the button. So we're going to retract the front two jacks just to show you what happens. So you can see now those jacks have retracted, which has changed from level and has put the low point at the front of the van. So what we wanted to do from that, you wanted to extend again, we just push the manual button again. The yellow lights, arrows go solid, and we want to push that front two jacks to get level again. And here we go. We're now level again. So really all you're doing is using the manual light to change the operation in extend or retract. Flashing means retract. Extend means solid light. So that's all you need to do in manual mode. On the finish operation in manual, if there's any legs off the ground, you will select the manual button again on the finish operation, and it will make sure all jacks have been planted at the final stages of manual mode. And that's just by holding the button in on the manual button, and that will do that for you.